The brand new Tesla Model Ys have landed in Australia, and we've got heaps coming through the shop. Let's get this one looking better than brand new. Welcome to the EV Protection Studio. Well, not really, but our customers seem to be bringing us lots of EVs. We've just finished this BMW iX3, so it's basically an electric X3, and the shipment of Model Ys has landed in Australia. This is the second one we've done. We've got another one coming in on Thursday, more Tesla Model 3s, more Ys coming in the calendar. The paint is incredibly soft. We've had black ones, red ones, white ones. All of the paint is soft. All of it is quite tricky to work on. We had a customer with a black one who was cleaning it with a quick detailer and put deep defects all across the paint. It took us multiple stages of correction to bring it up to a decent standard. This one comes with the factory holograms and some paint nibs, panel gaps, that kind of stuff. But we do our best here at Deluxe Detail to clean it up and get it looking better than brand new. So let's get into the polishing stage, fix up all the defects that are around this car.
So we've finished our Model Y here. We had some fairly soft paint to deal with, but we've got this looking better than showroom condition now, fully protected.
We've done our Ultra New Car Protection Package, which is our most popular package for new cars, a comprehensive exterior, interior and tinting package. So this vehicle's got Crystal Serum Ultra on the full exterior. We've coated the wheel faces, the windscreen. Interior has the full range of G-Technic interior antimicrobial protection products, and we've put Suntex ceramic black window film on the car as well to make sure that in the brutal Queensland summers that it's going to stay cool and protect the interior.
Stay tuned for next week's edition. We've got a really cool brand new WRX coming in Rally Blue.
If you guys like the content we're putting out, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you on the next one.